Alright guys, what's up? Good morning. As you've seen from the intro, we are here on a beautiful yacht in the Caribbean. It's called Seven Sins, a brand new 52-meter motor yacht from San Lorenzo. We are here with our friends from YPI, and the owner has invited us to spend a few days with him on board and just to experience the Seven Sins lifestyle. For this first vlog of the year, we thought we'd do something special and take you guys inside the yacht and show you what it is like while living on a yacht. Get to see what the yachting lifestyle is all about in what is probably one of the most famous, most beautiful yachting destinations anywhere in the world. Right, so to get things started, let me tell you guys a bit more about Seven Sins and what makes this boat so special. She was built in Italy, designed in Italy, and launched last year at San Lorenzo. She's got 5 beautiful cabins. We've been lucky enough to stay in some of the cabins the last few days, and the crew has been taking very well care of us. It's 11 crew here on board, and they all are experts in their own fields. It really shows the level of detail on board. Speaking to the owner, some of his favorite features on the boat is the pool and the beach club down below at the stern, and I cannot agree more. For a boat of this size, it's incredible. And yes, those of you who know St. Lucia very well, behind me here is the very famous Petit Piton. It's a big mountain you can actually hike up if you want. Not that we'll do it today. We're about to weigh anchor and head over to another bay called Marigot. Hopefully there's a bit more sunshine. It's been raining on and off for the last day or so. Hopefully we get a chance to play with some of the toys. So after a short cruise, we made it to Marigot Bay. We're sharing the bay with one other yacht. We've got this entire peaceful place all to ourselves, and the crew is just setting up some water sport toys now for us to play with before we go down to the beach club. Let me take you guys inside. Let me show you a cool perspective of Seven Sins interior. We've been having a great day here on Seven Sins, playing on the sea bobs, and which is like a water scooter. It's these guys right here behind me, and we also played around on the jet ski. The crew has been really helpful. Even if you don't feel comfortable with all these water toys, they teach you everything you need to know. It's a very safe environment, and it's just been a lot of fun. Now that the sun's setting, I think I'm going to check in with Louis. He's a chef, to see what we're having for dinner tonight. Guys, so that's a long day here on Seven Sins has come to an end. We had a great time here in St. Lucia. Fantastic crew, lovely owner and guests, and we want to thank YPI for making this trip possible. Check them out on the link below to learn more about Seven Sins. Also in the comments below, let us know if you like this video and if you want to see more of these onboard features. Don't forget to subscribe. We have some really cool stuff coming up in 2018. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next week.